Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Sleepy.
Oh, sleepy. Okay, you can sleep after class,
Okay.
students. Okay,
Oh,
all right. Uh, Before we start a lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray enough. And first, I will to check your attendance.
mm,
Uh, Panitia Safa.
here.
Wow, everyone is coming in my class today, and I hope all of you always in good and healthy and happy condition. In Okay, let's move into material. Today we will be learn about narrative text. Did you ever hear ataukah kamu pernah dengar tentang narrative text, students?
Pernah.
Pernah. Bisakah kamu ini Maridia ceritain sedikit ke teman-teman kamu terkait apa yang kamu pahamin atau kamu pernah dengar tentang narrative text?
Naratif teks itu isinya cerita fiksi.
Yes, is correct, Panidia. And next I will to explain more detail about narrative text. Narrative text is an imaginative story designed to entertain readers. Like Panidia mentioned before is a cerita fiksi. Ya, ini berarti cerita yang bukan nyata, students, dan dibuat untuk membuat pembaca tertarik atau menghibur. Dan di
Mhm.
dalam naratif teks, pasti ada complication dan resolution. I will be explain about this in the next material. Dan why to read it? Because in the narrative text is have a moral value or life lesson through storytelling. Jadi ada nilai yang bisa kita ambil dalam naratif teks. Baik, next. Seperti tadi di awal, dalam structure of narrative text is have three: orientation, complication, and resolution. Orientation is a beginning of the narrative text. Is a tell about uh, introduce character, setting, place. Jadi masih pengenalan karakter. And move into orientation is complication. Setelah pengenalan, kita akan dikenalkan dengan namanya konflik dan bagaimana konflik itu bermula di complication. Nah, complication sendiri itu dibuat is for make audience is more engaging and interesting about cerita. Jadi kalau nggak ada konflik bakal datar ceritanya. Makanya itu ada komplikasi di narrative text. Dan after complication memuncak, the next is resolution, yaitu is how conflict is resolved. Jadi bagaimana konflik itu terselesaikan. Biasanya ada happy ending or bad ending in the narrative text. Alright. Nah, next is language features. Dalam narrative text itu ada beberapa language features, students. First is past tense. Ingat kan students apa itu past tense di materi kita sebelumnya?
Lupa.
Ya, jadi past tense is a ini tense yang dibuat untuk menceritakan masa lampau. Biasanya kita menggunakan verb 2 untuk memakai past tense. Like you can add ed or irregular verb like when, said, yeah, like this. I hope you remember after I explain this. And the next is time connective. Is waktu uh, yang biasanya muncul dalam narrative text. Biasanya kita pakai then, after, finally. And the last is direct speech atau dalam Indonesia kalimat langsung. Nah, biasanya kita pakai tanda anotasi atau tanda petik. Like contoh, I am hungry, sighed the wolf. Dan I'm hungry ini diucapkan langsung oleh serigala. You got it, students?
Hmm.
Yes, I know you are is clever. And the next is type of narrative text atau jenis-jenis dalam narrative text. Is first ada fairy tales. Uh, and the definition is magical story with fantasy creatures. For example, Cinderella. Okay, can you, Faridia, mention another example selain Cinderella?
What's like Aurora,
Right.
Rapunzel, Snow White, Ariel,
Ya,
apa lagi ya? Banyak.
semua itu karakter Disney ya. Dan
Iya.
do you know what is similar about semua itu?
Enggak.
They are have a magical or sihir, benar nggak?
Hmm. Iya.
Nah, karena itu dinamakan fairy tales. And the next
Oke.
is fable atau cerita hewan. Nah, this is example the hare and the tortoise. Okay, can you give another example?
Cerita kancil, kancil,
Ya, kamu
kancil yang suka nyuri timun.
yes benar. Nah, itu semua fable termasuk cerita hewan. And the last is legends, is the story about origin place of people. For example, like Toba. And then can you give example and especially in your origin atau daerah kamu tentang legends, Panidia?
Ini cerita Nyi Roro Kidul.
Yes, you're right. Nidoro Kidul is legend and is about Ratu Pantai Selatan.
Mhm.
Okay, okay. This end of material and do you have another question about narrative text, students? Well,
No.
no. Yeah, I hope all of you is understand about this material. And the next, I have a video and I want you to nyimak video itu because di akhir I will have a question to check your understand about the video. Alright? So
Okay.
kita can you see the video, students?
Yes.
Okay.
Suaranya nggak ada, Sal.
Oh, enggak ada ya. Wait. Udah ada belum?
Belum dimulai.
Udah kedengaran?
Nggak ada.
Alright. Karena ada kesalahan teknis, maybe you can read the caption.
Oke.
Okay, thank you. Alright, students, and type a quizzes and enter the code, or you can scan this barcode.
Loading, sir.
Okay, I will waiting, students. Alright, let's start the game.
Kok saya gundul, sir?
Yeah.
What?
Alright, first question: who is the main character story?
Ebere.
Yes, Aubrey. Wah, benar. Next question:
Yes.
what is the mother main advice to her daughter? Wah, benar lagi. Pintar sekali. Next question: when does the conversation between the mother and the bear take place? Ayo, di mana tadi? Wah, di
Masa?
bedtime ya, sudah tadi. Kasur ya.
Bukan pas di morning.
Kan. Oke, next question. How should a leader lead?
According to the motto, how should leader lead?
Yuk. Wah, benar lagi. Nice. Oke, masuk lagi. If ever dream of being research, what is her goal? Alright. Oke, next question.
Questionnya banyak banget sih.
Empat lagi ya, student. Ayo, semangat yuk. Teman terus. Your,
The mother
what
said
is?
the what is
Ayo, apa
your...
yuk? Nah, right,
Apa tuh?
canvas. Next. Ayo, apa?
Oh,
Ah, yes, astronot ya. Bukan chef, bukan dokter. Okay, next. What should it bear when the world is quiet?
hmm,
Wah, pintar banget kamu. Ada lagi. Next. What? Ini tentang metafor. The world is your canvas. Apa arti lainnya ini? The world is your
nggak
canvas.
tahu. Apa itu,
Ah,
sir?
ini dia apa? Ini ya, has the power to create certain culture.
Kenapa artinya kayak gitu?
Karena pasti semua orang tuh punya ini mimpi atau cita-cita yang harus kamu create sendiri.
Create artinya apa?
Ya, ciptakan. Yes.
Oh,
Kalau Panindya nih mau jadi apa?
jadi kaya.
Amin. Kita doakan semoga jadi kaya. Yes, amin. Okay, and last question. What is the overall mood of the video? Ayo apa?
Oren.
Moodnya?
Eh,
Yes.
beda orennya. Oh, di sini hijau.
Mood. Ya, benar sekali. Wah, kita lihat nih akhirnya.
Dapat
Wah, dapat 190. Yes, give a applause, guys. Alright.
Y.
Nah, let I say tadi, kalau narrative text is have moral value. And can you mention moral value of the video you have seen before?
Um, jangan berhenti mimpi.
Ya, harus mimpi setinggi mungkin dan yakin kalau nantinya mimpi itu akan terwujud. Yes. Kita doakan semua yang ada di kelas ini, semua mimpinya terwujud. Amin. Alright. We're going in the last section is okay. Is end of the class, students, and let's wrap up. And remember, a narrative text is have three structure: presentation, complication, and resolution. And narrative text is to tell about fiction story. And yeah, uh, it's all for me. And thank you for coming today and your encourage of join my class. And then see you in the next